Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Hamadap 100-foot SC, APC to SC, APC fiber optic Internet cable. Designed for high-speed, single-mode fiber connections. This cable is perfect for those looking to optimize or extend their in-home fiber network. Whether you're using AT&T Fiber, Verizon Fios, Google Fiber, or most FTTH systems. Right out of the box, this cable impresses with its pet-proof armored design. Inside, there's a stainless steel tube that protects the delicate fiberglass core from chewing or accidental damage, making it ideal for households with pets or busy workspaces. The outer jacket is made from LSZH material, meaning it's low smoke and zero halogen, which adds an extra layer of safety while maintaining flexibility. You can bend it through narrow corners and tight spaces without worrying about signal loss or tangling, a feature that's crucial for routing cables behind walls or through crowded cabinets. The Hamadap fiber cable comes with 2 connectors included, so you don't need to buy anything extra. Installation is straightforward thanks to its plug-and-play design. Even if you're not tech-savvy, setting this up is as simple as plugging it in. The cable itself is armored but still manages to be flexible and lightweight, which makes handling and installation smooth and hassle-free. Aesthetically, the cable is designed with white decor in mind. It blends seamlessly with white ONTs, routers, and trim, giving your setup a clean, professional look. With a length of 100 feet, it provides plenty of reach for relocating your ONT or extending your fiber network across larger rooms or multiple floors. In terms of compatibility, this cable works with OS2 and is also OS1 compatible. That means it supports single-mode fiber systems and can be used across a variety of high-speed internet setups. The cable is heat-resistant and meets all specifications, ensuring it's safe and reliable for indoor installation. Overall, the Hamadap 100-foot SC, APC to SC, APC fiber optic cable combines durability, ease of installation, and compatibility. It's an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable, long-lasting solution to extend or reroute their fiber internet. Whether you're moving your ONT, protecting your network from pets, or simply upgrading to a more robust cable, this product is built to deliver high performance and peace of mind. That wraps up our review of the Hamadap fiber optic cable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next in-depth product critique. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we help you make smarter tech decisions.